I am Mike
And I'm Molly,
with Virtuoso Builders here in San Antonio, Texas, and welcome to another edition of
Behind
Behind
the
the Drywall.
Drywall. Today we're going to take a tour of a project that got started and stopped, and then started and stopped. A lot of weather delays here in San Antonio. So we are started and it's underway, and Mike is going to give you a tour and show you what has been happening.
So now we're back at a project that is an outdoor project that I want to show you since the last time we were here, what has taken shape. So when we walk down this way, you can see where basically it's just a huge outdoor entertainment area. We have ripped out the old outdoor kitchen where we'll be putting in a new expanded outdoor kitchen with grill and refrigerator, wine coolers. And the main part of this project is actually right here. Before, this was all concrete, tile, planter bed. So we ripped that entire thing out. But under the tarp is our fill for the concrete. But we have had solid amounts of rain now for 2 or 3 weeks. So everything got put on hold. And I mean real rain. Probably have seen it on the news. But finally it's drying out. So what we're planning on doing next week is digging our trenches for the beams for the concrete. And then we're going to have the steel installed, which actually is going to be pre-cut off-site, and we'll fill it all in. And here's obviously our steps that'll be coming down to this level. So really these are forms. So all the forms are up for the concrete foundation. Now, of course, this whole thing is going to be completely covered up with a roof over it. So we actually have to rip out the gutters. We have to rip out a bunch of the roof and reframe everything so this can be covered and protected from the weather. We're also going to have fans inside here. We're going to have heaters mounted in the ceiling, so that way you can stay out here all year long. We're going to have a TV on the wall. And actually, oddly enough, I learned something this morning. I was out here with my concrete trade saying, okay, should we take the tarp off now that it's stopped raining? And he said, no, you actually want to leave it on because that way the heat gets trapped inside and will evaporate that water faster. So it's kind of cool. I never knew that. So we're going to kick up hard again next week and get this thing going again now that the weather has given us a little bit of a break.
Thanks so much for watching, and we hope you saw some interesting things. I mean, delays happen, weather happens. We're used to it as long as you're communicating with the clients and they know
Yeah, that's the key because it happens. I just had to
it
say that.
happened. That was Forrest Gump, for
Sorry.
those of you wondering what imitation Mike was doing. But anyway, we are thankful that you are watching, and we hope you stay tuned because there's a lot more that's going to be happening on this particular project. So we'll be back here next month, and we hope you see you again next month as well. So tune in
Thanks.
again, give us a thumbs up, and share with your friends. Thanks. Bye.